Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's presentation of Apex Crypto Education Community Protocol. My name is Johan Botha. I'm here from South Africa. So I just want to tell you quickly about Apex, the latest protocol that we have launched. It is a smart contract-based platform. So Apex protocol was launched on the 5th of April, exactly 5 days ago on this last Sunday that we had. All right, so this was created because there is a need to help and assist the global community as the crypto space is expanding and the industry is expanding, and more and more people are getting involved in that. And the Web3 environment, as well as the online related safety risks and hazards, are increasing day by day. So not everyone is accustomed and knowledgeable about these things to stay safe online and in the crypto or financial online space. So that is why this platform was created. It's to educate members across the world on how to stay safe and how to manage their portfolios. Doesn't matter what app you are using, the principles will stay the same. But to protect yourself and your money from hackers and people that is stealing people's funds because of other people have a lack of knowledge. So let us just get this disclaimer out of the way. Please take note that this presentation is for educational and informational purposes only. Apex Crypto Education Community Protocol is not an investment or a trading platform, and no financial, tax, or legal advice is given in this presentation. If you just get the laser pointer out there. So we do not give any legal, tax, or financial advice. This is only guidance, and we are sharing this for educational purposes and informational purposes only. All right, so nothing in the space is guaranteed, and that you should know already. So crypto and decentralized finance inherits its own unique risks. And I just want to make an adjustment here. So please do not spend money that you cannot afford to lose, and please do not use your rent money or go and sell your car or your house or anything like that because you want to start or invest in crypto-related projects. Please do not do that. Right, so we are still responsible for our own actions. You are responsible for your own personal tax obligations, and always pay to Caesar what belongs to Caesar. The days of hiding your crypto assets is long gone now. The 1st of March, there was lots of changes in the regulations in South Africa specifically. You cannot hide your crypto anymore as in the couple of years ago, right? And then always keep in mind Hebrews 13 verse 5 to 6 that says, make sure that your character is free from the love of money. Right, we do need money to survive each and every day, but we do not make a god of money, and we don't chase money. Right, this is to educate the community about how to navigate this industry in a safe way and to protect yourself and the rest of the community. Right, so what is Apex Crypto Education Community Protocol actually? The main reason is to learn about crypto and to earn in the lightning fast speed of the OPBNB network. You also will earn in crypto. That's the best way for you to learn practical hands-on experience. Right, so we are not financial advisors. We are just sharing from our own experience what we have learned in this industry so far. So yes, there's two major issues currently in this industry that we have identified. And the first one is crypto and tax. Nobody knows really what the latest rules and regulations are. And many speculate about what is to be declared and what not. So that is, we can guide you. We are not financial advisors or tax advisors. Please, you still need to consult your own tax advisor for that, but we will guide you and give you a basic guideline. That is basically the products that you will get for your entry fee. Right, so the The days of hiding your crypto assets from the revenue collecting authorities is over now. All right, so but you do not know what you need to declare, how much and how to declare it. So that is what we're going to guide you in. And then obviously your financial advisor or tax advisor can guide you in the exact things that you need to declare and when and how. Right, so staying safe online is the second issue in this industry. And we have seen that it's not only in crypto or in financial industry online, but it is like anything, any social media. Everybody's got a phone or a device these days, and it's connected to the internet. And when you are exposed to the internet, you're exposed to hackers. And if you do not have the knowledge to keep safe, then you will be a victim some other time, or maybe you have already been a victim. Many of us have been victims of these hacking attempts or even successful hacking attempts. So if we had the knowledge to prevent that, we would not have been hacked, or our stuff wouldn't have been hacked by or taken over by other people. And they take over your WhatsApp and then they start exploiting that for to steal money from people or to exploit people. And I think we are all aware of those things. But this is what the second product in this platform is: how to stay safe online and in the Web3 and crypto industry. All right, so the library of the products will expand over time as the platform grows. So yes, but I just want to inform you about that the crypto crime is still heavily driven by scams, theft, and social engineering. So Chain Analysis has reported that more than 2.17 billion US dollars had been stolen from cryptocurrency services by the end of June 2025, already exceeding the whole of the year of 2024. All right, so wallet providers and security teams also continued warnings throughout 2025 and early 2026 about phishing, malicious browser extensions, fake support, and fake meeting and screen share scams. All right, this is rife. Every day we hear about people getting hacked. And we want to educate you on how to stay safe and what to avoid and how to know the real thing from the. We can only guide you in that. This is not a foolproof way. It doesn't mean that you will not ever get hacked or they will not attempt to do that, but you will have the knowledge to recognize those attempts at least. All right, so traditional finance, when you go working with a bank, it usually you can call the support of that bank or dispute a transfer or reverse an unauthorized card payment. In crypto, there is nobody that you can contact most of the times. All right, so crypto doesn't have that support. It depends on what the issue is. All right, so that changes your job description, not only as a user, but you also become the investor or the customer. And in many cases, you are your own security team. Right, and for that, you need to have the knowledge of what to do and what not to do. Right, so the goal in this guide, for these products, is not to spread paranoia or to make you afraid and make you fearful, but it's to equip you with the correct knowledge to navigate this crypto industry safely. All right, it is to help you build a simple, repeatable operating model that makes costly mistakes less likely. And as I said, it is not a foolproof or a guarantee that you will not get hacked, but it will minimize those attempts at least. So to solve this problem, there's basically only one way, and that is education. And we're also using the community to leverage and so that we can earn in crypto as well while we are navigating this industry. All right, so the primary purpose of Apex is to create a secure, scam-free, learn and earn ecosystem where members can safely navigate the crypto space and earn rewards also while doing so. All right, instead of just moving money around, Apex is fundamentally product-backed. So this, what you get for your entry fee is you're getting access to the product. Right. So you are getting a product and the value is you can decide how much value you want to attach to those products. So yes, the entry fee is 0.005 BNB on the OP BNB network. And that comes to around about $3 or around 50 Rand in South Africa, depending on the exchange rate of BNB of that day. Right, so that is your direct purchase that grants you access to an ever-expanding digital library of vetted crypto educational products, guides, and tools as well. All right, and as we say, we are not registered financial advisors. We're just sharing our own experience, and that is basically what you are. And we're not just putting up anything that we think is everything that we put on there. We check ourselves that it is the correct information, so you will not be led astray or led into a scam, or any malware will be added in there to also to trick you into clicking on false links or deceptive links. So yes, and then there's also another way for you to earn as well. The creator pathway. You can become a VIP creator. You can get the VIP creator status because Apex is designed to turn learners into leaders as well. All right. Once an active member reaches a maximum cap of 51 positions in a single wallet, you unlock a VIP creator status basically, and that will allow you to submit your own digital platforms or products to the library for free. Or obviously, it will be vetted and it will be checked for safety first. You cannot just add anything here, but the requirement is that on every connected wallet that you register on Apex, you can register up to 51 positions. So your first position is mandatory for you to unlock your access to the digital products. Then you can buy 50 extra positions. And once you have reached 51 positions, you qualify for the VIP creator status, which will give you the opportunity to submit your digital platform or product for the support team to review and to decide, will they add it to the library as well. So that can be it can be a platform, but it will obviously not be any scams that we will be able to add there. Right, so in that way you can get exposure for your products as well. Right, so let's look at the membership rewards system and how does it work. Right, attached to this digital educational library is a community-driven reward system designed to be sustainable and fair, and ensuring that new members are continuously supported by older members. Right, so this is not just a normal matrix where you buy a position and you wait there, and then nothing happens. Right, it works on a 3x3 structure, so it's only 3 levels there. There's no infinite levels or 4 levels. When you buy your product, you are getting positioned at the top of your own small network tree. So basically, you enter and you will be on level 1. So beneath you are 3 open positions, and once those 3 positions are completed, you will be upgraded to level 2, and you will receive a payout of 90% basically of what you have paid for the position. It will be paid back to you, and you will be upgraded to level 2. All right. On level 2, there will be 9 positions under you, and once those 9 positions fill up, they will give you a re-entry into the system for free, basically, and you will be upgraded to level 3. In level 3, there is 3 levels that is broken down in 3 segments. The 27 positions is broken down in 3 segments of 9 each. And once every 9 is completed, you're getting a re-entry plus a payout. And we will get to the exact numbers on the next couple of slides. But yes, as new members join the community and fill the positions beneath you, the smart contract automatically sends BNB wallet, rewards directly to your wallet on each level. When you reach specific milestones on level 1, 2, and 3, those payouts get distributed immediately to your connected wallet. So then there's also the pay it forward engine that we described above. So to prevent the system from stalling, Apex uses an automated re-entry system. When you earn a larger rewards from level 2 and level 3 segments, every time you will receive, it will create a re-entry, that will go to the bottom of the global queue, the global matrix, which will basically assist the members at the bottom from ranking up and filling the position. So there is only one universal link. There is no personal link here. Right? The system automatically takes a small portion of your profit. And once it reaches 0.005 BNB, it creates a brand new position at the bottom of that entire community tree. This means that successful veterans or older members are constantly placed back at the bottom to push newer members upward. Right, so then there's also the bulletproof payouts. If for some case there's a glitch in the system or the network or the blockchain, your money does not get lost or stuck somewhere. It gets routed to your wallet. If that does not go directly to your wallet for some unforeseen reason, you can still withdraw it manually to your connected wallet, and no one else can touch that money there. Right, so your BNB isn't lost. The contract safely stores it internally, so you can manually withdraw it at any time. Right, and then there's infinite scaling. One wallet is capped at 51 positions only. All right, so that will give you the creator status, the VIP status, basically, for you to add your own digital products or platforms. And you are not limited to one wallet only. You can open as many wallets as you want. Right, to keep buying more positions and to grow your matrix. Let's just continue here. There we go. Why are we using a BNB on the OPBNB network? In the crypto industry, there's lots of different coins that you can use to get paid in, but the one that we know and trust the most is BNB on the OPBNB network, right? It is a layer 2 crypto coin. The reason for this is basically two reasons. It's lightning fast, and there's almost zero transaction or gas fees that you pay for transactions. Right, so now let's look at the rewards program. You're not going to become a millionaire here. We need to put bread and milk on the table. Bread and food. That is basically what we need each and every day. So this funds you can use for any day use. Obviously, if you buy more positions, this will carry on. The smart contract cannot be stopped. It will run until infinity. But this is what you can achieve. So one position is about $3. And if you complete one cycle, you will earn around $33 all in all. Plus, you will get 4 re-entries, which will also be go back into the system, and they will also generate the same type of income here. Remember, this is just in the dollar value, so the dollar value will fluctuate because BNB value fluctuates each and every day. So this will also increase. If BNB value increases, this will increase. If it decreases, it will just decrease as well. Right, but it will always be tied to the BNB value. At the moment, this is around about close to $3 and $33 that you will be able to earn. The one position will earn about $33 in one complete cycle and generate 4 re-entries for you. So when a position is completed, it resets your allowable number of positions accordingly. So you will still be able to max out your 51 positions per wallet. You will see if you bought 10 positions and 2 of them completed, you will now have 8 that is active. That is basically what that means. Those 2 that completed does not get added to your 51 tally. Right, so to earn more, you just need to purchase more positions, or you need to share this protocol with other like-minded people. Right, that is also in this industry and also exposed to the same hazards and risks as everybody else. Right, so here's just a breakdown of the rewards program in a table formation. So on your first level, you will earn 0.0045 BNB. From there, there's also a 0.5% sustainability fee that the contract subtracts. That is for maintenance and sustainability reasons, to keep the development team up to date, and the programs that needs to be paid. So there is not real much money that you can make from 0.5% from every withdrawal, that is. only when you withdraw money, when money is sent to your wallet, there's a 0.5% withdrawal fee. Right, so you also almost get 90% back on your first payout. So you pay 0.005 BNB and you get about 90% back of that 0.00447. Right, so now you get upgraded to level 2. On level 2, once 3 or 9 positions is filled up under you, the funds are being deducted for a re-entry position that will, as soon as you complete level 2, that re-entry position will be activated or will be generated, and you need to activate it in your back office. And that makes you to stay active and interactive with the platform as well. You just need to press one button and approve the transaction. Then that position will be added to the bottom of the queue as well. Right? In the case that you do not get access to your wallet, it can be activated from the smart contract as well. Right? We know many people, they take some time and they do not log in often enough to look at that. And then the smart contract can activate those positions as well. But here you will get a payout of 0.005, almost 0.006 BNB. That's already more than what you have paid for. All right, now you already have almost doubled your money back on level 2 alone. Plus you have one re-entry as well. Now you will be upgraded to level 3, and on level 3 it is broken down in 3 segments of 9 positions each. Each 9 position segment will also generate you a extra re-entry position, plus you will get a payout of 0.015% or BNB at least. And that is around $9. It's close to $9 to $10 each. So in one cycle, if one cycle completes, you will gain more than 1,000% per position, because you paid 0.005 BNB and you will earn altogether 0.055 BNB. So that will bring you close to $33 in today's value. Right, so this is just a different way of you looking at it. You can see you come in with 0.005 BNB, which is around $3 or 50 Rand. And then you will getting paid in this, will getting paid out to you. Total is around just more than $500 or 33 to 34 dollars, depending on the BNB value. That is why there is a difference here. This is after the sustainability fee of 0.5% has been deducted, which is very, very small. Right, so that's basically in one cycle that you generate. So how do you register in Apex protocol? You prepare your wallet and you fund that wallet, and we do suggest people use the SafePal wallet. This is the most trusted one and user-friendly one that we also using as well. Right, very important is that you always write down your secret phrase, your recovery phrase, and create a new wallet when you join Apex protocol. Why a new wallet? Why not just an existing wallet? It is because if the wallet that you have might be connected to other sites as well, and we do not know if those sites are scam-free or hack-free, and if they have any malicious extensions built into those contracts or not. And the other reason is for your tax purposes, to declare your tax. So you want to give your tax advisor a clean record of your wallet's activity. So there is a CSV file that you can download as well from the back office to give you an exact printout and the report of your wallet's activity. So you will not have to scramble around to get all those information for you. Right, once again, it's just a guide to help. This is not financial advice or tax advice. It's just to make it much easier for you and for everyone else in the community. So then when you start, load at least 0.0051 BNB, because there's a little bit small gas fee. Although it is almost next to zero, you still need to have, and just to round it off to 0.0051 is very easy. Otherwise, you're going to have lots of zeros and then a couple of numbers, and people will get confused. Right, so this is equivalent to $3 or 50 to 60 Rand, and ensure that you bridge or withdraw your BNB specifically to the OP-BNB network. Remember, that is very important. When you register, there's only one link. As we said, you're going to copy this link. Do not click on it. If you click on it, you will see the website, but you will not be able to register. You need to copy this link and paste it into your DApp browser of your wallet. Right, and then set your network to OP-BNB. Select the network as OP-BNB. It's very important. If you select any other network, it will not register. It will reject it. Right, so then you connect your wallet, you tap go, and it will take you to the website, and we will go there now. Right, then you scroll down until you see the button that says buy digital product. You're first going to buy that, and when that is approved, you can then purchase more positions. Right, you will confirm your transaction, and after that is confirmed, the buy more positions button will be activated, and you will see that. Right, so why should you join Apex Crypto Education Community Protocol? Right, you buy real value, not just a position here. Right, this is not a gifting platform. You buy real value here. You're getting a value for your money here. Although this is just $3, it will increase much more as time goes by. Right, in many platforms, the entry fee just buys you nothing but a placement. At Apex, a direct purchase. You're purchasing a digital crypto education library that you get access to for a lifetime. All right, you get immediate access to guides, courses, and tools to help you master the crypto space. And that library will continue to grow and to expand at no extra cost to you. Right, it's a community where we pay it forward with means of the re-entries. Right, so that's a system that is automated. You don't have to worry about that. The entries will be created for you. You just need to activate them. That puts you in the position that you must activate and interact with the platform. Right. So when successful members hit milestones, we discussed that, and we place at the bottom of the matrix to assist the latest members. So your funds from the reward system are never trapped, as we also discussed. There is a push first and a queued fallback system introduced. Right, so another pathway you can also introduce your own platforms here and digital products once you reach the VIP creator status. Obviously, those products will be vetted. You can't just add anything to the library. And then there's infinite earning potential because one wallet is capped at 51 positions, and you are not capped or limited to one wallet only. Right, it's a safe and a vetted environment. Right, the crypto space is full of scams, but Apex is here and acts as a filter to teach you and to educate you on what to watch out for and how to navigate this space safely. Right, because every digital product and platform added to the library will go through a strict vetting process so that members can learn and explore new tools with peace of mind that they are not being exposed to malicious actors or malware. Right, so you do not just click on any link and that you do not know as well. It does not guarantee that nothing will go wrong. It is just going to help you to know more than you know already. Right, so the balance, the Apex balance, product value and community growth. So how does this protocol actually grow? And that's what many people ask. You're getting access to the crypto education for your entry fee. All right, so members gain vital knowledge on the DeFi security. The DeFi stands for decentralized finance. All right, OP-BNB ecosystem navigation and crypto tax compliance. All right, so this is just guidance on those topics, and that provides real world value regardless of the matrix movement. Right, so that is what you are paying for. And that will fuel a high velocity 3x3 matrix. And these sales of these educational products drives a 3x3 matrix. Every product sale triggers a payout. So every position needs 3 under them. And once that third one is filled up, someone gets upgraded or gets paid or there's a re-entry created. It's automatic 4x re-entry loop with your re-entries that gets created. You just need to activate those re-entries and it will go to the bottom of the matrix connected to your wallet. You will get the payout for those re-entries as well. Right, then, as you already explained, in one cycle you can earn at around $33 to $34 depending on the BNB value. And on your level 3 segment payouts, it's close to $9 to $10 depending on the BNB value as well. Sustainable community success. By focusing on sharing the product, we ensure the longevity of the protocol. Your growth is tied to the collective momentum, right? This is not just one man on an island working for himself and his own team. There's no personal links available in Apex, right? So as you help others become crypto literate, you accelerate the rewards for everyone in the line. So you decide you want to share this or not. That's the only way. There's basically 2 ways for it to grow this platform, and that is to share this or to buy more positions. We're going to go through this. So yeah, this is just we're coming to some housekeeping rules for clarity. There's no limit to the number of positions or wallets anyone can register. There's also no refunds. Why? Because the funds gets distributed by the smart contract. Right? Okay, so understand that there is only one universal registration link. And the only way to progress in the system is either to purchase more positions or to share it with other people that might be interested in the digital products of Apex. All right. Thank you for your time. And today it was much quicker. So I want to take you to our newly launched a homepage. Just want to get in there. That we have just added this morning. It will look like this. If you click on that link, you will get all the information I discussed right now. It will be for you here to read through. So learn crypto, earn on chain. All right, and you can join from here, but remember you need to copy the link and paste it into your browser. If you click on here, it will just take you to the interface, and this is where you will buy your products. Right, you'll see now that there's 5 tabs to buy. Your entries will populate your rewards of that specific wallet. Your wallet needs to be connected. Mine is not connected now. All right, so and then there's also tools that you can look up the positions and their progress as well. And then there's the products that you buy. You're going to click on access available digital products. So the wallet is not connected now. It will not go there, but here is where you will come. You will see currently there's the Universal Crypto Tax Compliance Guide that you can download, or you can download it on your laptop, but you can view it in your browser on your phone. And then there's also the Crypto Web3 Security Guide that you can open in a PDF format. All right, but first you need to verify your access by clicking there, and you will see that now it asks me to open the wallet, and I will just need to confirm the transaction. You will not pay for that transaction. The blockchain just needs to confirm that you have purchased the product. Then these tabs will become active and you can open them. To go back, you're just going to press on go to buy and dashboard, and then you will be back on here. But let's just return to that website. To get back there. So this is what it looks like at the moment. Right, you can scroll all the way down. You'll see here that the entry fee is 0.005 BNB. In one cycle, you gain more than 1,000%. It's a 3x3 matrix structure. The gas fees is almost next to zero, basically zero. Right, and there's just a picture of the breakdown of the matrix. This will be you. You will have 3 underneath you directly, and then 3 under each one of them will make up your second level, and under them it will make up your third level. So there's only place in under one position, there's place for 39 positions all in all, including your level 1, your level 2, your level 3. Right, and then it gives you a breakdown of what you can earn in BNB. So yes, that is how it works. Then it's fully transparent payouts as well. Yes, the breakdown of the payout table is populated here as well. Minus the 0.5% fee, you'll see this fee is very, very, very low. Right, and then there's also, you have a real digital product that you are buying. You're getting paid a lightning fast speed. There's bulletproof contract. No one can tamper with the smart contract. No one can get access to the funds there that way, right? So infinite scaling, you're not capped on. There's no limits on this smart contract, right? Scam filtered environment. Every product that's added to the library gets vetted, right? So we won't not just allow any product or scam to be uploaded there. And then there's also the automatic re-entry engine, as we explained in the presentation, right? And then you can become a VIP creator by unlocking 51 positions in your one wallet, right? Fully on-chain and fully verifiable. The smart contract, here is the address. It is verified. It's on the OPBNB mainnet. Right, so let's go there to that smart contract now. I want to show you. This is the address ending with 8B991. Right, people, you do not have to know all the insides and outsides of the contract. You just need to know that this is the contract address. You might get tricked into a different scam site, but know that this is the site address ending with B991. Right, there is value on it. That is kept in the contract for upgrading purposes. The contract is verified, and you can see it here on contract where the green arrow is, with the tick mark.